So, good afternoon. So, in the previous session, we were discussing about the digital library, and we were seeing about the digital library software, that is Greenstone. Okay. So, today we will continue the same session with Greenstone, and so I will just inform you, or we will just discuss what we did in the previous class. We just discussed about Greenstone digital library and how to download the software, what is the latest version of software, and how to install it. And once we install the same, and we have discussed how to create a collection. So, I think we have already created a collection with the name sample or PG DADLM. Once we created a sample, then we downloaded a research article from Scopus, and we imported that article into the Greenstone database. Okay. So, once we did that, then we moved to gather option. In gather enrich, we just mentioned what are the title of the article, author of the article, keywords, the format of the article, and the language of the article, what are the fields it is available in the article, we just entered into Greenstone, and then we build the collection. Once we build the collection, it will show the number of document processed, and then we have to go for the preview collection. So, in preview collection, we can able to find the PDF file or the article which we have imported into Greenstone. Okay. So, these were the thing we were discussed in the last class, and I just want you all to just log in into your Greenstone software, download one article, and again you try to import it again into your Greenstone software. Okay. So, that you will just get a go through of it. Yeah, those who have not attended the previous class, just download Greenstone from Google and then give install. In some of the system, it will be already downloaded. Yes, sir. Just you can go to librarian interface. Yeah, this is the librarian interface. I will show. I will say. So, once your download is over, you have to open the librarian interface 3.11. Okay. So, after that, what you do, just go to Google and download one research article. Open Google Chrome, download a research article from Scopus or any of the database or from Google Scholar. Download Google Chrome, open Google Chrome and download any research article. This is server side. No, type Greenstone. Librarian interface. Hello. Exit. No. 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 Cancel. Okay. So, open your Greenstone software, download any research article from Google Chrome. You can download from Scopus, Web of Science, Google Scholar. Sorry? You have to download a research article. So download a research article and import into Greenstone. Yes?
Sir, what should I do?
See, first you have to download a research article. Okay, so after downloading the research article, you should import the research article here.
Sir, I have downloaded my file here.
ये तो full text नहीं है
This
sir.
is your
Creative
research
Commons,
article.
yes, sir.
So what you have to do is just drag and drop.
वो ये तो
Only drag and
text
drop.
नहीं है.
Student downloads
आजा anybody else.
this one.
Creative Commons, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So next go to enrich and open the file.
Yes.
So this does not have any author or title. Okay, just you can type Creative Commons here.
Okay,
Title
these are the like
fields. These are the metadata fields. So what you have to do, you have to type the title of the article, creator of the article, subject and keywords. Description is the you can mention the abstract, publisher of the article, date, and then format is PDF. Okay, language will be in English. So what and all the fields it is required here, you can just mention
all
it
these
here.
fields should be filled.
Not all. What and all it is available in the article, you can fill. This is the server side interface.
Sir, I have downloaded an article from Google Scholar. I have downloaded. So how to place it here?
Yeah. So once you download the article, you have to open that article. Okay. So it will be in your downloads folder. So go to downloads and what is that article name?
Acquisition of the article.
Acquisition of building. Just drag and drop it here in this place and go to enrich. You have to open this article now. Okay. And what you have to do, just you have to fill this metadata fields. dc.title is the title of the article. dc.creator is the author of the article. Subject and keywords. Description you can mention as abstract. Publisher is the publisher of the article. Date of the article. Resource type will be in which resource and format will be in PDF. Source will be from which source you have taken. Language will be in English. So what and all fields is mandatory, you can just mention. So try to fill as many fields as possible in the metadata. Yes.
So what do we do next?
Yes. Once you have filled all the metadata fields,
सर
Sir,
मैंने
where
अभी
we
just
have
I'm
to
just
insert
taking
Okay.
this
the file?
example ऐसे ही
Yeah.
मैंने डाल दिया है
okay. So next you have to go to this design,
Design.
create, and you have to click this build collection.
okay
So here it will show one document is processed and included in the collection. That means you have added one document and it has been included in the collection. Okay. So now build is finished. Once the build is over, you can go for preview collection. So in preview collection, you can able to find the article.
okay
Sir,
Yes.
where we have to insert the file which I have downloaded.
Downloaded files will be in downloads. Okay. So you have to go to this home folder and go to this downloads. The name of the file.
Sir, no. I have downloaded at Chrome
That only the where it got downloaded in downloads folder, right?
on desktop.
Desktop. Which one? This one.
Librarianship final.
Okay. So then you have to go to this desktop option. This one. Just drag and drop it here.
Sir, is this provide reference? Like,
Sorry?
is this software provide reference?
No, it won't provide reference. It's a digital library software.
Only like from where we have downloaded, it will not show here. Okay.
So this is your article. Open your article, and you have to mention what are the fields available in your article.
जो भी wait किया है जो हमने डाउनलोड किया है वो सिर्फ हम मतलब इसमें डाल रहे हैं सिर्फ हमारा है हमने डाला है कहीं और से हमने डाउनलोड किया है वो उधर नहीं है ना ये तो करना पड़ेगा तभी सीखने का
So download an article, import that article into Greenstone, copy the metadata fields whatever is necessary, and try to build the collection and preview the collection as well.
So what are these settings? So what
Sorry?
are these settings like these settings SREU where
No, this is to incorporate it with the internet. Okay, is that $39 is kind of a protocol. Okay. You can use only these things. We will be working on these things only.
okay.
So during this process, if you face any issues, please call me. Okay, it is done.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
What is the problem? Have you created the collection? Okay, the
Yes, sir,
collection
in
is
previous
created.
class, but we can't add more file in our collection.
So have you downloaded the file?
Yes, sir.
It is in downloads.
Yes, sir. It is download and
Which file? This file. This one or this one?
Sir, which you want? Scopus is open.
Scopus results. Okay. So I just drag and drop here and then open the file. Okay. So it's a citation file. Just you can type anything manually for your own.
What after this?
So after this, what you have to do is go to this create option and click build collection. So once build collection is clicked, it will show that one document was considered for processing, one was rejected. One was rejected means your document was not considered for the collection. So there must be some issue with the file. Okay. So you have to recheck the file again. What was the issue? It is again rejected. Now you try to download some other file. Okay, because that file is not accepting. And in some of the case, while you are working in Greenstone, when you build the collection, it will show that one document was considered and one document was rejected. Okay, that is a case where if you keep the PDF file open, so sometimes it won't accept. So in that case, what you do, you just close the file and then again rebuild the collection.
Two documents.
Please do it fast.
Sir, I have done two.
Yeah.
अब क्या करना है उसके बाद ये कर दिया ये एलिमेंट्स डाल दिया कर दो 11 हो गया
So can we move on to the next step?
Yes, sir.
What is the issue? It is coming. Go to create. No. Go to create. Build collection. Okay, one document was processed and included in the collection. Okay, so your document which you uploaded has been included in the collection.
Sir, if we compare,
Okay.
DSpace and Greystone, then which one is best?
Greenstone, you can, the space of occupying Greenstone is very less when compared to DSpace. But DSpace, the web page user interface will looks good when compared to Greenstone. Yes. 3 documents was processed and it is fine. Then you can go for preview collection. So these are the 3 titles. Okay. Yes. Go to create, build collection. 0 documents were considered for processing. Now you have to download the you have to send only the files, not the folders here. Okay, so I'll create a new file, new collection. 1, 2, 3. So what I'll do, I will create a new collection here, and then where is your files? Downloads. So in downloads,
DOC8 PDF file.
this one. This one.
Yes.
So just copy it here.
Means merge like this.
So what you do, create a new collection and then click OK. And then home folder, downloads, document1.pdf. Okay, now go here. Here you have to mention, now open this. This is simple linear model. Okay, so simple linear model, and creator, just type something and go to create and build collection. So now we will see one document was processed and included in the collection. Okay, so like that, if you want to add some more, you have to just go OK, put it here, and in enrich, in another document you have to open it. So this is simple linear model 2. Okay, so simple linear model 2, and I'll add something here.
It's like shows into we can title.
All the metadata fields we have to mention, and click on build collection. Now two files we have added. Okay, so 2 documents were processed and included in the collection, and then
same name of the
in the same name. And then click OK here, and we have to preview the collection. So now it shows that 2 documents were added. Okay, so these are the 2 documents. Okay. Yes. The collection has been built and is ready for previewing. Now it is done. Okay, here you can find one document was processed and included in the collection. So click on preview collection. So one document is added. So click on file names, you can find your article. Okay, so okay, fine. I think this is okay now, and we will move on to the next section. So next section is what we will be doing. We will be adding the author field and the keywords field. Okay. So, currently in your page you can able to find two menus, one is title and another one is the file name. Can you able to find? In Greenstone page you can able to find two options, one is titles and another one is file names at the top, two menu. Okay. So, what we will be doing now is we will be adding two more additional menus, one is author and another one is keyword. Okay. So, for example, if we want to search by using the author name, we can able to search. If we want to search with the keywords, we can able to search. Okay. So, while building your collection, in gather option we might have entered the metadata fields such as author and keywords. You have entered, right, from your article. While copying and pasting in the gather option, we have entered keywords, creator, title, author, everything. So, those fields we are going to bring it now in our screen. So, for that what we have to do is go to design option in the library interface menu. So, the output will come in Greenstone server, okay, but we have to work in librarian interface. So, librarian interface is nothing but where you drag and drop your image. This is librarian interface. Okay. So, librarian interface is that is librarian interface. Librarian interface is the place where we work, okay, and librarian server is the output of that. So, there are 5 options: download, gather, enrich, design, create and format. Okay. Go to design option and at the left side you can find document plugins, search indexes, partition indexes, browsing classifiers. Okay. So, go to the 4th option, browsing classifiers. Under design menu, go to browsing classifiers. Can you able to follow? In library interface, go to design option. In design, you will be finding 4 options at the left: document plugins, search indexes, partition indexes, browsing classifier. Choose the last option, browsing classifier. So, click on browsing classifier. At the right side, you will be finding a term called assigned classifiers. Yeah, it is assigned classifiers. This one. At the right side, you can find assigned classifiers. So, there are 2 fields already. Okay. One is list.metadata and another one is list.metadata for title and source. Okay. So, these are the 2 fields what we will be seeing in the server screen, title and source. Can you able to understand? So, what we will going to do is we are going to add 2 more fields in this. So, for adding what we have to do, at the bottom of the screen you can able to find an option called select classifier to add. At the bottom of the screen you can find select classifier to add. Can you able to follow? Select classifier to add. So, I will repeat it again. In your library server, Greenstone server interface, you can able to find only 2 options. One is title and another by source. So, we are going to add 2 more options by author and keywords. Okay. So, for that what we have to do is go to library interface screen and in design option go to browsing classifiers. Design option, browsing classifiers. So, already we have 2 assigned classifier, one is title and another one is source. So, now we are going to add 2 more additional classifier. So, for that at the bottom of the screen you can find select classifier to add. Okay. So, what you have to do, click on that select classifier to add. You will get options called date list, HTML, hierarchy list, PHIND, recent document list, section list and simple list. Okay. So, in that you have to select the 4th option, list. So you have to select the fourth option, list. Close this one, close this. Select here, list, fourth option. So you have to select the fourth option, list. Okay. And below that you can able to find a term called add classifier. Okay. So below that, below the list option, you can able to find add classifier. So click on add classifier, you will get a pop-up menu with please configure the arguments for list. Okay. You can find a term called please configure the arguments for list. Okay. So there in the drop down menu you have to find dc.creator. Metadata field you have to find dc.creator. Here. Metadata dc.creator. Next to that metadata, you must find a term called dc.creator. Top. This one, click. dc.creator. Okay. dc.creator. DC is Dublin core. EX is another format. We have to find DC. Go top. Top. Creator. So DC is nothing but Dublin core metadata. Okay. So dc.creator. It is done? Yes. Okay. So go. EX is different format. Different format. DC for Dublin core. Okay. If it is done, and go down, you will find an option called button name. In the same window, don't close the window, just go down. At the left side, you can able to find a term called button name. You have to enable the button name. Yeah, you have to click the tick mark. Okay. You will be finding a term called button name. You have to enable that button name. At the right side, you will get a white text box. There you have to write author. You have to type author. So now we are creating a menu option called author field. Okay. Go down. Scroll down. That one, button name. Enable it. At the right side, you have to type author.
According to Greenstone, button name is author.
Author. You should not type Krishnan Kumar. You should type author.
Okay.
AUTHOR. See, you should not type the particular article author name. Here you should type author, AUTHOR. Okay. So once you are done with it, click on OK. So if you give OK, you can find we have added one more list in that classifier. So it says that list metadata dc.creator button name author. So what we have done is we have made a mapping of dc.creator to the author name. So dc.creator belongs to the Dublin core creator, and we have mapped with the author name. Okay. So list metadata dc.creator button name author. Done? Okay. So again what we are going to do is create another field. So click on list and click add classifier. So the same process we have to repeat it again. So select list at the bottom and again in the bottom click add classifier. First select list, add classifier. In metadata field we are going to create a menu called keywords. Okay. So for that you have to search what is the Dublin core. Dublin core is dc dot subject and keywords.
Sir, DC or EX
DC.
DC.
DC dot subject and keywords. DC dot subject and keywords. So repeat the same process. DC dot subject and keywords. Go down, enable the button name, and you have to type keywords. You already created, na? You can go to keywords. So choose DC dot subject and keywords and go down, enable the button name, and you have to type as keywords. Button name is keywords. Okay, and then click OK. So in assigned classifiers now we will be having DC dot creator which shows author and DC dot subject and keywords which shows keywords. Okay? Okay, fine. Now go to create option and rebuild your collection. Go to create option and build your collection.
Metadata में
Sorry? Metadata DC dot subject and keywords. This one. Okay. So once you build your collection and give preview collection, you can able to find we have added 2 more fields, that is author and keywords at the top. So is it working?
yes sir.
Preview collection. So once build is done, give preview collection. You can find author and instead of subject you have to type keywords. Click on author. Click author. Click author. I think this mouse is problem. You have to change the mouse. You can find authors. So when you click on authors, you can able to find the alphabetical arrangement of author's name. It will be like A to Z, like that. So you have mentioned only one author name, so it is showing as A.
A.
Yeah, what you can do, you can in creator type some more author's name, you can mention your name, your friend's name, and see how it is coming. So is it working? This is the thing what you asked in the previous class. Okay, to frame by the author name, click on author, you can able to find. Okay, so next class we will be showing how to make a full author name below the title itself.
I have 3 summation in this, but in keyword only 2 is showing.
Keywords is fine. Both the keywords will be of same A and L. What are the keywords?
अच्छा keyword नहीं डाले.
Keywords you have not mentioned. You have mentioned here the keywords. You should not mention like this. What you have to do is, just like the author name itself, you have to give enter and make this as a separate entry if there are multiple keywords. Okay, like this. So when you are making multiple entries, and then bill collection. So your keywords will get reflected. See, for example, as I mentioned in the last class, if you are having multiple authors, what you have to do is, after typing the first author, you should give enter. Okay, so it will create another field for author, dc.creator.
Okay, just enter, not
Yeah, at the end of the word, you have to press enter. So when you press enter, it will create another field for the same dc.creator. So for example, for keywords also, okay. So if you have multiple keywords, so at the end of the last character, give enter, so it will create another dc.subject and keywords. Now it is coming. Yes.
So is this fine?
See, Priya Sharma is one name, right? And this you have to give control X, enter. So you have created another creator, okay?
Okay.
Control V. Okay, fine.
Sir, can you please check this?
Another name. Yes. Metadata, no, you have given ex.author. It should not come. Please move. dc.title, dc.creator,
EX creator, sir. EX creator.
sorry, dc.creator, button name author.
So now,
Yeah, now it is done. Go to this create bill collection.
done, sir.
So then give preview collection. Okay, so now go to author. You can find all the things.
Okay. In alphabetical order.
Yeah, it will come in alphabetical order. Sorry?
After this,
Yeah, that's all. Then go to create bill collection and then preview collection. Okay.
same we have
So-
to do in keywords, sir.
Yeah, for keywords also.
Okay.
So for example, if you have done anything wrong in mentioning these classifiers, what you can do, at the bottom you will have an option called remove classifier. Okay. So you can remove the particular classifier and you can redo it again. Again you can go to list, add classifier, and then you can create dc.creator or dc.subject and keywords, and you can add it again. Or if you have done any mistake in that, if you want to rearrange that mistake also, there will be an option called configure classifier. So if you click configure classifier, you can redo the mistakes what you have done. Have you signed? One is missing. 6 of you. Is it okay?
Sir, then I could find if we have created a file 2 times, then how we can identify that कि हमने एक ही फाइल 2 बार कर दिया.
If you have created a file 2 times
Yes.
here,
Yes, sir. एक
you
ही
have to
file
remove it. If you have added 2 files, you can right click it and you can delete.
Okay.
Try to add the same file again. So this is the 1, 2, 3, right? So it is not accepting if we add the same file. So see here, this is a file with the name 1, 2, 3. If I add it again, it is not accepting. Okay. So if you add the same file again, it will not accept. Okay. So now we will try to add a image for your collection. Okay. So what we will do is, you please download 2 images, one with a name called digital library something in your Google, okay, and one with the SOLDU or some other repository name like institutional repository, something related to your digital libraries. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to add two images, one for your home library and one for your digital library section. Okay. So just Google it for digital library and then download two files. Download a file which is smaller in size so that it accommodates inside your browser. Anything of your choice.
Yes, sir, download it, sir.
So what you can do once you complete with your download, in your librarian interface, go to format option, the last option. So everyone has downloaded the image. So download an image, two images, one for your digital library and one for your collection. Go to format option in the librarian interface, the last option. So there you will be having an option called URL to about page image. Okay. So there are two options. One is about page and another one is a home page. So home page is the where you will have a link for your about page. Okay. So in about page you can mention that SOL or whatever image you have chosen, and in home page you can choose the digital library image. Click on browse and it will show a pop-up screen, and in that screen choose the image where it is located. Either it will be in downloads or it will be in desktop. Format, last option. Format, this about page, browse. About page and home page. If you could not able to find your file, go to home option and then choose
Okay, this
home and choose desktop or downloads. You have to go to librarian interface. Go here, format, choose browse, home option, be in downloads. You have downloaded, right?
Yes.
So choose downloads. Which one? Choose the file.
So then,
Once it is done, go to create and click preview collection.
and again, sir, I have to do this.
For home
So
page.
there is second one. Okay.
Choose the file. It is in downloads, right? No, not here. Go to downloads. Where you have saved the, what is the name of the file? So the first image will be, this is about your digital library, and this here if you go it will come your main page. Done? Go to here, this page, my Greenstone library. Here image should come, image is not coming. You have to preview the collection. Go to library interface, click preview collection. And this is the image, okay, and go to my Greenstone library. Here also one image you have to add. Go to the librarian interface, format, okay, add in home page also. Okay. So if you click on my Greenstone library at the top, you can able to find the home page. That is the home page. Okay, so in home page you will have demo collection, another one. Okay, so the image which is having, the collection which is having your image is the collection what you have created. So if you click on that image, it will navigate to your own collection. So it is like having a Delhi University e-library. Inside the Delhi University we will be having SOL. So this is the concept.
पहले first forward पे जाना है तो home पे then उसके बाद सबसे नीचे एक option था तो browse पे about home page क्या sir can you give if we want to write like steps to go this thing
Format,
yes
and then you have to download the image. Once you download the image, you have to browse the image in the librarian interface.
browse
Browse the particular image in librarian interface. There will be two options. One is about us and another one is home page. About page and home page. So home page is the main page, and about us there you can create collections.
yes sir
And then you have to click preview collection. If you click, the image whatever you have added will get reflected. Go to this My Greenstone library. Click. This is your image. Okay, click on this. This is your home page, and this will be a digital library page.
Library also.
Yeah, you can create. Yeah, you can create.
It's very good.
Yeah.
वहाँ पे जो तीन एरो ऊपर दो एरो है नहीं माय ग्रीनस्टोन लाइब्रेरी उस पे नहीं हो रहा इस पे करो अपने डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी आया वही है इस पे उस पे करो माय इसमें क्लिक करो नीचे 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 करो इसी पे इसी में अच्छा चलेगा
So what I would suggest you is delete the classifiers what we created now, that is the dc.creator and dc.subject.keywords, and try to add on your own.
add on
On your own.
okay we have to delete thank you sir we have to delete it
Delete only the dc.creator and dc.subject and keywords from the librarian interface. Or what you can do, you can just create a new collection with today's date, and you can download an article, try to add that article into the collection and create separate classifiers for it.
so there is
कैसे delete होगा?
If you want to delete those things, here you have to do. Go here, open. Okay, these are the things. Demo collection, license, okay. So if you want to delete those things, click here, delete.
create पे जाना है
So once you delete it,
browsing classifier कहाँ पे आएगा
okay, because these are some source files, na? So it can't be deleted. One is gone. So try to create another new collection in Greenstone and rename that collection to today's date. Fill all the metadata fields whatever it is necessary, and try to add the two classifiers, additional classifier which we saw today. One is dc.creator and another one is dc.subject and keywords. try to add 2 more additional classifier. So this move up and move down is to rearrange the things. First you will be having title, source, keywords and authors. Na? So this is used to rearrange. If you want to move the authors at the first, you can move using this.
How to delete?
That don't delete, you want delete. Just remove classifier. But you have to choose the right one. That is remove classifier and dc.creator, button name, remove classifier. Yeah.
And then
Again you have to go here, add classifier. So select that one, select here, remove classifier at the bottom.
And sir, all we have to do
No, only 2.
author and
If you delete all the things in your server page, those title and source will not come.
okay. Then what should I delete?
Author you have to delete.
Sir, again we have to do what you have taught.
Yes,
Same thing.
same thing.
Okay. And this thing I have to remember.
Yeah, now you have to go to add classifier and you have to add the 2 classifiers. So click add classifier, you will get metadata. Metadata is nothing but dc.creator. Another one is dc.subject and keywords. And you have to scroll down, choose button name. In button name you have to type dc, for dc.creator it is author, and for dc.subject and keywords it is keywords.
or next cable, next.
No, this one you have to do.
With delete connect.
These things, design, browsing classifier, you have to delete these 2 and create it again.
Create?
Already you created, na?
Yeah.
For your practice I am telling. Sorry?
So we can add in this way in the
You can add publisher.
according to what.
क्लियर कर दिया नया बनाया वो तो अच्छा क्रिएट
Yes. Okay, dc.creator, button name author. Okay, fine. And go to create and build collection.
क्रिएट
Create,
है ना
build collection.
ठीक है
ठीक है, हो गया। इसमें जाओ, क्रेडिट पे जाओ, बिल कलेक्शन।
ओके
Yeah, okay, preview collection.
दिस विल द सेम
Yeah, author and keywords you can click.
इंटरफेस
क्या चीज़?
So in the next class what we will be having is, we will be seeing one more aspect in this greenstone. We will try to change the color and make a bigger size of this, and we will move on to DSpace. Okay.
So can you please show me how to download Greenstone? Like
Just go to Google,
last class I was not there. Go to Google.
open Google page,
वो जो हमने सर में नेम ऐड कराए थे ऑथर्स के वो कहाँ पे थे
open the browser,
ऐड मोर
new tab,
तो इस पे
open Google.
you have to write author and add more author
बैक जाओ,
Google Chrome
Anything is fine. Anything is fine. Just type Google. Internet is not there. Internet is, now it came. Type.
Google.
Google is fine.
Okay.
हाँ उनको और डाल सकते
Enter.
ये भी option
Open
हमारा
Greenstone.
कौन सा है यार? Browsing classifier पे ना ये
Enter.
ये देख लेंगे सब सिखा रहे हैं ग्रीनस्टोन.
Enter. Enter. So go to this download option. So this is for Windows. Okay, 3.11. If you click this, it will get downloaded the page. The software will get downloaded. So once it get downloaded, just you have to double click it and give next, next, next.
Okay.
so this is the
Greenstone software.
current version.
Yeah, it is the latest one. It is of 657 MB. Yes.
Use of document plugins.
These document plugins, for example, if you are having some other document formats like audio format, video format, if you are going to import that also, for that plugins here it's already there are PDF plugins. Okay, PDF plugin is already there, so we could able to directly import the PDF files. So here we have Word plugin, even Word files we can able to import into that. If we want to add some more plugins, we can add some more plugins by here, add plugins. But for that we should have a plugin attached to it, attached to the Greenstone. Okay, so basically in digital library you will be having PDF maximum. Okay,
And sir, if I want to add some, let's say list after the
you can add.
and I want
If you, publisher option is also there. Yeah, you can add. You can add.
how
Everything should be in DC dot. Okay. So for example, DC dot publisher. If you want, click DC dot publisher.
I didn't mean that. I want to add something in new, just like this is publisher, author, and I have another keyword which is not mentioned here.
Whatever it is mentioned here only you can add.
Then,
These are the metadata fields.
just, how can
New
I
you cannot add.
Metadata. How
This
can
is metadatas.
I-
See, the metadatas what we have they have mentioned here will be available here.
And how can I add metadata here?
See, these are these metadatas. Okay, DC dot format, description, publish. These are metadatas. You cannot add new metadata. Whatever is existing there only you can use. See, these are the existing things. So existing things only you can able to use. You cannot use the metadata of your own. So is it fine?
Yes sir.
Okay then. So what we will do, we will just wind up the session, and in next class we will be having, first session will be of Greenstone. No, Greenstone, just one more aspect is there, how to change the color and add few things. And in the next hour we will see the introduction of DSpace. Yes.
If we put videos and other things, then how there is other PDF only.
We have to add plugins for that. Yeah, in Greenstone already PDF plugin is there, Word plugin is there.
When we want to know this.
So here you can able to find, this is the plugins. So this is the PDF plugin, okay, and this is the Word plugin. So you try to add some video files also and see whether it is working or not. It will work. For that we should add some plugins here. So we have to go to add plugin, and we have to add the plugin. I will just try and I will update you on this.
Oh, next
It will work. Yeah, it will work. Okay, fine. So then we can close the session for today.